Welcome to the OSU Math Department. We want to talk about college calculus. One of the most common questions we get is what exactly is college calculus like? How is it different from high school or other versions of this course? The most important difference that you want to be aware of getting into college calculus is it goes much faster. Typically, college calculus is twice as fast as high school courses. We don't allow calculators. You're expected to work without numerical solutions most of the time. The type of questions are less procedural, less formulaic, and definitely more conceptual, and you will be assessed for different things compared to high school courses. Now, in terms of calculus options, typically we have a lot of different courses depending on your plan of study. There's the regular version of calculus, which is Math 1151. It's the most widely used calculus course, but there's a lot of other versions of the course. There's Math 1156, which is calculus for biology, a very popular choice for people who are going into the life sciences. We have a calculus for business, which is a different version of regular calculus, focusing mostly on applications in business with less trigonometry and things like that. We have a stretched out sequence called Math 1140 and Math 1141. Typically, we do calculus over 2 semesters instead of 1. And then finally, we have some honors options. These are for students who are interested in going a little beyond the typical calculus experience. If you're considering a career in math or a adjacent pathway, these would be something you want to look at for yourself. Now, the last thing you want to be prepared for when you choose your calculus course is maybe to understand how these courses are actually different. The most important thing to remember is that the breadth and the depth and the rigor of the courses can vary a lot. So you definitely want to pick the course that's the best course for you. All of these courses will use different textbooks, and you can look through the textbooks or the contents to make a good decision. The setup of the classes is very different. Some of these classes have a very small class setting. Some of them are large lectures and small recitations, and the learning experience and the social dynamics can change depending on the class you're in. And lastly, I'm going to have you try and look at the course web pages. The OSU Math Department website has individual course pages for each of these courses. If you go in there, you can find syllabi, you can find a list of topics, you can also find sample exams. That way you can look through those and see what is the best fit for you. And the last thing, of course, is you want to talk to people in your major. Check your major requirements, discuss with your advisor, and see what fits best with your plan of study.